بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, take out page number 30, part D. Read out the text and choose the correct option. Number 1. What is a grumpy guy? Options are option A, the sun, option B, the earth, option C, the moon, option D, the stars. The correct option is option A, the sun. Number 2. Why are the rays of the grumpy guy weak? Options are because of rain, because of illness, because of summer, because of winter. The correct option is option D, because of winter. What is meant by naked trees? Options are trees with leaves, leafless trees, covered trees, uncovered trees. So the correct option is option B, leafless trees. Number 4. What does the word blanket refer to? The given options are cloth, cloud, sleep, and trees. So the right option is option B, cloud. Number 5. What is meant by bake to bed? Option A, bake home, option B, bake to room, option C, bake to the store, option D, sunset. So the correct option is option D, sunset. Number 6. Which sentence does not contain an inanimate noun? He hovers near the bird's nest. Option B, he scarcely gets to see the sky. Option C, his blanket from the sky's big freeze. Option D, his dispositions grim and bleak. So the correct option is option B, he scarcely gets to see the sky. Number 7. The word grumpy in the poem suggests that options are sun is doubtful or weak in winter, sun lives in a state of royalty or power, sun is bad tempered in winter, sun is unsure in winter. So the right option is option A. Number 8. What statement is the poet making about the subject of the poem? The given options are the sun can actually speak, winter is a terrible season, nature can sometimes seem unhappy, the sun decides when it sits each day. So the right option is option C. Now students, page number 32, grammar. Person pronouns. Pronouns are words we use in the place of a noun. We have both subject and object pronouns called personal pronouns. Subject pronouns are I, she, he, you, it, they and we. And object pronouns are me, her, him, you, it, them, us. These object pronouns are used for subject pronouns. I, me, she, her, he, him, you, it, they, them, we, us. Choose the correct personal pronoun for each sentence to give it the same meaning as the sentence before it. Number 1. Kamal's mom asked him to clean the garage. The right option is option C. Kamal's mom asked him to clean the garage. Number 2. His cousin and he play football every Sunday. The right option is he. His cousin and he play football every Sunday. Number 3. Neither Maria nor me. The right option is me. Neither Maria nor me knew why the store was closed. Number 4. After school, you and me. The right option is option C. You and me must discuss a few things. After school, you and me must discuss a few things. Number 5. Everyone at the table has eaten their lunch earlier. The right option is option C. Their lunch. Number 6. My nephew was crying and needed his diaper changed. The right option is option A. Jamil is my student. He is very intelligent. The right option is option A. Number 8. Alice is my sister. She lives abroad. Option B. Number 9. Tahir and Maria are my students. They are very hardworking. Option C. Number 10. My dog is smarter than their dog. Option A. Number 11. Ali is my old friend. We are neighbors. Option D. Students, this was today's lesson. Do page number 30 and page number 32 in books and share with us in WhatsApp groups. Students, this was today's lesson. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.